Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Phycophilic. As you all know that in our last video we have started our discussion on algae with a brief introduction to their basic features followed by their some other morphological and organizational features. In addition to that, the pigments that are commonly present in them and the way these pigments contribute to different colors in different algae. In our today's video, we will be talking about one such familiar and common pigment called chlorophyll. As we all know that chlorophyll is present in all the plants, some cyanobacteria and algae. It is responsible for oxygenic photosynthesis, which means the type of photosynthesis responsible for the release of oxygen into the atmosphere. And we all know how important this photosynthesis is in sustaining all the life on this planet Earth. Now, where is this compound located? It is located in a special kind of plastids called as chloroplast. Talking about some more properties of chlorophyll, you can call this pigment a green natural dye because it really finds its application in dyeing purpose also. The natural chlorophyll which is present in plants is lipid soluble in nature and it absorbs light in the range of visible wavelength, which is 400 to 700 nanometer, and reflects green light in the range of 500 to 570 nanometer, which is why the leaves appear green in color, which we have also discussed in our last video. Now, the most interesting fact about this chlorophyll is it shares some structural similarities with heme, the molecule from our blood pigment hemoglobin. If you are interested to know more about this similarity or some of the differences between chlorophyll and heme, then comment down below. We can discuss this in another separate video. Moving ahead, where you can find this plant pigment around you very easily. Some leafy vegetables, non-leafy vegetables and unripe fruits are in front of you as examples. Lettuce, spinach, green peas, green beans, unripened bananas and unripened papaya. These are some of the common sources you can easily find around you and can be sure that the chlorophyll is responsible for the green color in them. Now, wouldn't you be interested to know what happens to that chlorophyll when you eat them, as we are talking about the chlorophyll in edible foods? The chlorophyll when ingested by humans is converted into pheophytin, pheophorbite and pyrophyophytin. Alright, if you cannot remember all these names, then it's okay. Just remember that when chlorophyll is ingested by humans, it is further converted into some valuable bioactive compounds. By valuable, I mean they add anti-mutagenic and antioxidant properties in your body. That means they can easily inhibit the growth of cancerous cells, and that is why it may be the reason why people advise us to eat more green vegetables. The next time someone asks you why we should eat green vegetables, you can add this reason also. Now, based on this fact, we can easily conclude that the unmodified chlorophyll which is present in nature is not very stable in nature, or its chemical stability is very low, because in presence of stomach acids or some other external factors it can be easily degraded and converted into other biological compounds. Therefore, the heated and stored vegetables often also lose their green color and turn into olive green. Similarly, in agricultural practices, one common plant hormone, which is ethylene, is often used to turn the unripened fruits into ripe fruits so that they can be easily sold in the market and presented in front of the consumers. That was all about today's video, and I hope you have learned many new things about chlorophyll. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more such interesting educational videos and share with your friends. Thank you for watching this far.